Conventional, fiberglass, you get your option in the Salem FSX. Let's check it out. You must admire the Salem interior. It's so open and clean. You also have a 13,500 BTU AC for the Salem FSX, but there's also the large opening panoramic windows that are the largest in their class. Let's take a peek at the kitchen. You'll get a shockingly large 11 cubic foot frost-free fridge, residential high-rise faucet with recessed undermount sink placed into a seamless countertop, a microwave, and a multi-burner cooktop with a glass cover. In the bedroom, you'll get a comfy evergreen mattress. In the bathroom, there's the mirrored vanity with medicine cabinet in most models, a shower surround in all models, and the toy haulers have a skylight. The toy haulers also have stow-and-go storage containers under the sofa, as well as 1,500-pound tie-downs to keep your toys from slipping and sliding in the garage. For entertainment, you'll get USB ports by the beds that are tablet compatible. There are backers to mount a TV. As previously mentioned, you do have two versions for the exterior: conventional or the fiberglass platinum package that includes chrome wheel caps and lug nuts. Since we were talking entertainment, I'll let you know the toy haulers have exterior speakers with blue LED lights. For connection, you'll get an omnidirectional digital TV antenna as well as dedicated cable TV hookup. Of course, you get Wi-Fi prep too. As such, you can be entertained under the power awning with adjustable legs and LED light strip for as long as you want. Or with a toy hauler, you can party on the patio. Every ramp door converts into a patio deck complete with a magnetic screen door entrance. Plus, for most Salem FSX models, you get a pull-out LP griddle. Bacon time in no time. As for storage, you have easy access via large 32 by 16-inch baggage doors with the toy haulers having pass-through storage. That'll keep your camp chairs stowed away no problem. The exterior also has a convenient outside shower with hot and cold water to help keep the outside, well, outside. You'll also get a backup camera prep, solar prep kit, and slide topper prep. A bit about the tanks, they're quite large for a lightweight travel trailer. 44 gallons for fresh, 30 for gray, 30 for black, plus the black tank also has a black tank flush, which is very convenient. Options? There are a few, including the easy-to-use power tongue jack and the MoreRide stable step that's standard on the toy hauler, an option on the travel trailer. Another option very worthy of consideration is the battery-saving extended power package that comes with a roof-mounted 190-watt solar panel and 30-amp solar controller. Should we talk construction? Of course! They're all built with a cambered chassis on Dexter axles. They have R7 fiberglass insulation throughout and tough coat scratch-resistant exterior paint. You'll get a Superflex one-piece roof so water stays out. Underneath the chassis, you'll find an enclosed underbelly to keep out critters and the elements. These panels are also removable, and Forest River calls this system Accessibelly. The beauty of a Salem FSX is that most of the models fall under 5,000 pounds in unloaded weight. As such, they're pretty easily towable. How about length? Well, some are longer, but most hover around 22 feet. Now let's check out a few select Salem FSX floor plans. The 163 RDSK is perfect for the roving couple who wants to take their work on the road. It has a mobile workstation in the back, theater seats, and a walk-through bathroom. The 169 RSK has a large rear bedroom with the queen bed and a slide. Up front, past the walk-through bathroom, is a large U-shaped dinette, and the 169 RSK can sleep 4. A great little bunkhouse for the family is the 178 BHSK. You'll find a large U-shaped dinette and a slide-out, large stacked double bunks, and a queen-size Murphy bed. Amazingly, the 178 BHSK can sleep up to 8. On to the toy hauler part of the Salem FSX line. Overall, you'll find them around 5,000 pounds unloaded and 28 feet in length. The 260 RT has a 13-foot garage that's separated from the bedroom via a walk-through bathroom. You get a pair of sofa sleepers so you can sleep up to 4. The 280 RT has nearly 13 feet of enclosed garage space. Up front, you'll get the kitchen, U-dinette in a slide-out, and the versatile Murphy bed system. As such, the 280 RT can sleep 5 to 6. The 270 RTK, aka the Max, has a fireplace next to the L-shaped kitchen, 14 feet of garage space, a roof-mounted 90-watt solar panel, 30-amp controller, 15,000 BTU AC, and outside kitchen with griddle. The 270 RTK can sleep up to 4. As always, visit rv.campingworld.com to see all available models and find your Salem FSX today.